Do you regularly do DIY fixing works at home? Well, today I just got the right tool to make fixing things more easy and convenient. The Jacme handheld electric 2-in-1 cordless screwdriver and drill works great as a handy tool for people who love doing DIY works at home. It is able to easily screw and unscrew things, as well as handle lightweight drilling. The casing looks solid. Let's check out what is inside the casing. Inside the casing, you will find one Jacme electric drill screwdriver stored nicely fitted in a dedicated slot. A USB-C charging cable is provided for users to recharge up their Jacme handheld electric 2-in-1 cordless screwdriver and drill. A magnetizer and demagnetizer is included in case users want to magnetize or demagnetize their drill bits, a useful tool. An 18-piece stainless steel drill bit set is included in the casing. All fitted nicely and securely in their own dedicated slots. On first impressions of the Jacme cordless screwdriver and driller looks really solid in design and elegant in classic black. When you roll to the sides of the device, it has anti-slip guards for ease of gripping during use. Thoughtful design. Let's start up the screwdriver with the power on switch. Simply press it, a green LED light should flash signaling it is powered up. I can press any of the top two rotation buttons to get it to start to rotate. Each button has a feature to spin left or right depending on your needs. It is easy to operate with a simple button layout operation. There are two different speeds. When the switch is turned on, it will be in low speed mode. Press it again to activate the top speed mode where the green LED light is not blinking. Easily insert the drill bits into the motor with the dedicated slot. First unscrew the tightener on the slot. Thereafter, insert the drill bit into the dedicated slot and tighten it. Fast and simple. I can start using after inserting the drill bit of my choice. There is also a PCB type bits where these drill bits are smaller than regular drill bits as they are designed for screws on computer PCB boards. Comprehensive set of drill bits. I can easily screw and unscrew screws during my DIY projects, like here, I am trying to fix my alarm clock. Dismantling it is easy with an electric screw as compared to using a screwdriver, which can be a hassle. All screws are out in a few seconds. I can start my repair and diagnostics promptly. Easy app, convenient. Of 18 pieces of stainless steel bits, 8 regular bits and 10 PCB type bits, a good range of selection so that users like me can find fitting drill bit in many different situations. All neatly arranged in the casing of the product. Here is an up-close look of the magnetizer. It functions as an easy tool for users to magnetize and demagnetize their drill bits according to their liking. After use, it is easily rechargeable. I can simply plug the driller in with the USB cable provided, and thereafter, plug it into a power source. Once powered on, the LED indicator of the device will be lighted up with a red LED light shining brightly. It charges up fully in around 2 hours, with a maximum battery capacity of 2000 milliamps. Great capacity for long usage. I love the fact that a case is provided and I can easily store the device securely in the casing after use. It looks so compact and versatile that I can bring it out and around when I am out helping my friends and family fix things. Overall, I find the Jacme handheld electric 2-in-1 cordless screwdriver and drill a ultra compact, quiet and powerful electric cordless screwdriver and drill. It is able to handle a wide range of tasks and jobs like screwing and unscrewing screws with ease, saving me time and effort, and also lightweight drilling on things like softwood, art and craft etc. I personally like the overall concept of it being ultra portable and compact, with a neat and organized casing provided for me so I can store the bits and device securely in one casing. If you want to know more about the Jacme handheld 2-in-1 cordless screwdriver and drill, find out more with the link in description.